Imagine being in a room full of people but feeling utterly alone. Imagine battling an invisible enemy every day, afraid to ask for help because of the fear of judgment and being labeled. This is the reality for millions around the world suffering in silence due to mental illness stigma. Today we are breaking that silence. Today we are taking a stand. To comprehensively address the issue of mental illness stigma, it is crucial to cover the following key aspects. What is mental illness stigma? Mental illness stigma refers to the negative attitudes, beliefs, and behaviors that society holds towards individuals battling mental health issues. This stigma can be internalized by those suffering, leading to shame, isolation, and a reluctance to seek help. There are different types of stigma: social stigma, negative stereotypes and discrimination that society places on individuals with mental illness; self-stigma, internalization of social attitudes leading to reduced self-esteem and self-worth; institutional stigma, policies and practices in institutions that restrict opportunities for people with mental health conditions. Common misconceptions about mental illness. It is a myth. Debunk myths such as mental illness is a sign of weakness, people with mental illness are violent, and mental illness can be cured by willpower alone. Consequences of stigma. Impact on individuals. Emotional toll, sense of shame, guilt, and isolation experienced by those with mental health conditions. Social impact, difficulties in forming and maintaining relationships due to stigma. Economic impact, challenges in employment and financial instability due to discrimination in the workplace. Access to care, hesitation to seek help due to fear of judgment, being labeled, leading to untreated conditions. Impact on society, public health, the overall burden on healthcare systems when mental illness are left unaddressed. Economic costs, loss of productivity and increased healthcare costs associated with untreated mental health issues. Now understand how we overcome mental illness stigma. Education and awareness. Educate yourself and others about mental illnesses to dispel myths and replace fear with understanding. Programs in schools and workplaces can help create an environment of awareness and support. Open conversations. Encourage open dialogue about mental health. Share your stories and experiences with trusted friends and family members. Support systems. Engage in support groups, either locally or online. Being part of a community can provide validation and encouragement. Professional help from therapists and counselors is crucial. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health. Strategies to reduce stigma. Advocacy. Policies and legislations aimed at protecting the rights of individuals with mental health conditions. Challenging stigmatizing behavior. If you witness stigma in action, speak up. Correct erroneous beliefs and advocate for respectful and inclusive language. Emma's victory. Now listen to Emma's journey. I was diagnosed with bipolar disorder in my teens. The whispers, the alienation. It all made me feel like I was a monster. Therapy, medication, and the unwavering support of my best friend turned my life around. Today, I speak openly about my journey, hoping it encourages others to seek the help they deserve. Get involved. Volunteer and support mental health organizations. Participate in awareness campaigns and walks. Share your story. Use social media and other platforms to share your experiences. Create a ripple effect of awareness and empathy. Show compassion. Practice empathy and kindness towards those struggling with mental illness. Your support can be a lifeline. The role of media. Representation on media, how mental illness is depicted in movies, TV shows and news media. Media should be responsible for reporting, promotion of accurate and sensitive storytelling about mental health issues. Certain kind of advertisements, short films, talk shows with expert psychologists on mental health awareness can make a huge difference. Among mental health help in Pakistan, for immediate help, visit private psychiatric clinics for the therapy and medication, approaches NGOs for help. The fight against mental illness stigma starts with each of us. Together we can create a world where no one has to suffer in silence, where every struggle is met with understanding and every voice is heard. Let's be the change we wish to see. I hope you better understand this crucial topic, and if you want to explore such content, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Go and watch these related videos. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.